Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10 on your PC. If you're new to the process of installing an operating system, don't worry, I'll guide you through every step of the way. Let's get started. Step 1. Download Windows 10 first. You need to download the Windows 10 ISO file. Go to the Microsoft website and download the latest version of Windows 10. Step 2. Create a bootable USB drive to install Windows 10. You need to create a bootable USB drive. Insert a USB drive, at least 8 GB, into your computer and download the Rufus tool. Open Rufus and select the USB drive, then select the Windows 10 ISO file you downloaded earlier. Click Start and wait for the process to complete. Step 3. Change boot order now. You need to change the boot order of your computer to boot from the USB drive. Restart your computer and press the key to enter the BIOS, usually F2 or delete key. Find the boot order or boot sequence option and move the USB drive to the top of the list. Save and exit the BIOS. Step 4. Install Windows 10. Restart your computer and it will boot from the USB drive. The Windows 10 installation process will begin. Select your language, time and currency format, and keyboard or input method. Click Next. Click Install Now and accept the license terms. Choose Custom, Install Windows Only, Advanced, and select the partition where you want to install Windows. Click Next and wait for Windows 10 to install. Step 5. Set up Windows 10. Once the installation process is complete, you need to set up Windows 10. Enter your product key if prompted, then select your settings, including your region, language, and network settings. Create a user account and password and set up your privacy settings. Click Next and wait for Windows to finalize your settings. Conclusion: that's it. You have successfully installed Windows 10 on your PC. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.